Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare linear versus wide GoPro settings. Understanding the differences between these two popular fields of view is crucial for capturing the perfect shot. We'll explore what each setting offers, how they impact your footage, and when to use them, so you can make an informed decision for your next adventure or creative project. Let's dive in and find out which is better for you. The wide field of view is GoPro's classic look, capturing an expansive scene, often around 122 to 170 degrees diagonally. This setting creates a dynamic, immersive fisheye effect, especially noticeable at the edges, making viewers feel right in the action. It's ideal for action sports, vast landscapes, and any situation where you want to capture as much of the environment as possible, giving your footage that signature GoPro feel. In contrast, the linear field of view offers a more natural, undistorted perspective, akin to a traditional camera lens. It actively corrects the fisheye distortion, resulting in straighter lines and a more realistic look, which is perfect for maintaining geometric accuracy. This mode is best for vlogging, architectural shots, interviews, and any scene where a natural, less warped image is desired. Keep in mind, it does slightly crop the edges of your footage. So, which field of view is better? Choose wide for immersive action, extreme sports, and capturing broad, dynamic scenes where the fisheye effect enhances the experience. Opt for linear when you need a natural, distortion-free look for vlogging, architectural shots, or a more cinematic feel. Ultimately, the best option depends on your creative vision. Don't hesitate to experiment with both settings to discover what truly works best for your unique content.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.